Hi, we at Axis Electronics continuously strive to adopt new technologies and advancements in manufacturing to ensure best quality products to our customers and partners. Keeping this in mind, we implemented robotic welding in 2018. However, adopting this technology was not easy as it required high quality input raw materials along with perfectly cut to size high quality grade MS pipes. Today, 100% frames at Axis Electronics are manufactured with robotic welding technology to deliver highly precise structures with excellent finishing to each and every frame used in manufacturing of platform weighing scales. We at Axis Electronics today are producing about 3,000 frames every month with an installed capacity of 5 to 6,000 frames per month for both OEM and own consumption. We look forward to cater more of new manufacturers and partners with our high quality products. Thank you.